Guys, Huawei Nova Flip. Yeah. The latest na flip phone ni Huawei. And flip lang natin using one hand. Kayang-kaya i-open And yeah, tingnan muna natin anong presyo. Why not? So this is going to be the price ni Huawei Nova Flip. And there's quite several colors. Meron siyang color black, meron siyang color white, and meron siyang color green. I love this green. Ang ganda, ang premium tingnan. Tinignan mo sa gilid, shiny siya. Pero dito naman matte finish naman siya. So it's okay. Medyo maliit lang ka na display unlike the other brands. So don't expect a full screen dito sa labas. But I think it has its own specialty. Huawei. So this is the color green. I love the green, honestly. So tingnan muna natin to. Naka-flip open na. Ito yung kanyang color pink version. Magandang pink, baby pink lang siya. Simple lang. And I would say na talagang wow. This is good. Good stuff from Huawei. Picture na lang natin quickly. Tiyan natin ka ng camera performance. Snap. Tiyan natin. Tiyan natin quality. Ay guys, kitang-kita yung quality ng fabric ng Nova Flip dyan sa kabila na naka-display na. Kita na guys. Linaw So if you're interested guys to check out the Huawei Nova Flip, once na lumabas sa Philippines, I'm pretty sure i-review natin to. So follow me for more.